Hello everyone, welcome to the NIRA channel. Dear students, there are two examples we completed that extended class. Today we'll discuss about the 11th question from the exercise number 6.5. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. So here from the airport, one aeroplane is flying from the which side, which direction? North direction. What is the speed here? 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 12 km. From the O is the airport here. From the same point, same airport, one more aeroplane is flying due the which direction here? West at the speed of 1200 km per hour. So per hour, how far apart will be the two planes after the 1.5 hours? See, after 1.5 hours, what is the distance between the two planes? You have to find. So here we make the one diagram, rough diagram here. See, OB is the distance traveled by the first aeroplane, that is the 1000 km per hour, and one more aeroplane is OA, or see, that is the from the north direction. First is the north direction 1000 km per hour, one more is the west direction, that is the 1200 km per hour. So one point you have to remember, children. See, in the map you know that how to identify the direction: east, west, north, south. Correct? Right, left on the top and the bottom. East, west, north and south. See, one aeroplane, first aeroplane is airport and the flies due to the north direction, means up north direction. How much is that? 1000 km per hour. And second one is west direction, that is the 1200 km per hour. Then see, the OB is the distance traveled by the second aeroplane. O is the distance traveled by the first aeroplane. So I given the name here. AOB is it forms the right angle triangle. So a distance traveled by the plane flying towards the north. So see, 1.5 hour. Within 1.5 hour, the distance is 1000 km. I think you know, children's distance formula, that is the speed into time. Correct? Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to speed into speed. How much is that? 1000 km per hour, and into time is how much is that? 1.5 hour. So is equal to 1500 km per hour. Correct? 1500 km per hour. So north direction 1500 km per hour. This is the distance of the first aeroplane. Then second one is the similar, the distance traveled by the plane flying towards the west direction. Towards the west direction. See again that here distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 1200 km per hour. But here time how much is there? 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. See, 1.5 hour, how much it will take the distance of the second aeroplane? You have to find. That is a speed is equal to distance into time. So 1200 into 1 integer 1 by 2, 1.5 hour. So is equal to, see, you have to simplify here. 2 1 ja. No. So you have to write otherwise 1200 into 2 means 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Correct? 2 1 ja and 2 6 ja 0 as it is. So remaining 3 here. So 6 3 ja 18, then 2 0 as it is. So 1800 km of the distance traveled by the second aeroplane of the time how much? 1.5 hour. So see, according to the Pythagoras theorem, see that a triangle AOB is the right angle triangle. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, you are going to find the AB, that is the distance between the two aeroplane, that is the AB. See, AB is the hypotenuse. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square. Correct? Is equal to AB is equal to square root of. See that? But here AB is equal to square root of OA square plus OB square, like this. So AB is equal to OA, how much is there here? OA is a 1500 kilometer square plus, and OB square is how much is there? 1800 kilometer square. So is equal to, see, multiply, see, 1500 square, it means that square root is equal to 1500 square means the, just you have to find the 15 square means 225, and see shortcut method to what is the square of the square root of 20 means you have to write the double. Now 20 means 40 you have to write. So 1500 square means how much here? 22,50,000. Correct. Then plus 1800 square means, see, 18 square, just have to find the, this is the 20 square means write there double zero, that is a 40. 18 square means 324. Correct. So this is just you have to add these two numbers, we'll get the 549,000 kilometer. Correct. Now see the next one more very important point, children, here. See, this is not a perfect square number, so you have to do the splitting here. Just you have to split. See, these 4 zeros into 1, you have to write this separate, that is the 10,000, and remaining 549, you have to split this one. 61 nines are 549. Why we done like that means after splitting you should get the one square number here. So 9 is the square number, correct, and 10,000 is also a square number of the 10, correct. 100 square, sorry, 100 square is equal to how much here? 10,000. Now 10,000 is the square root of 100 square. So see, 9 is the square number, perfect square of 3, take outside, then into 10,000 is the square, 10,000 is the perfect square of which number? 100, take outside, then into 61 is not a perfect square number, so keep it is inside as it is. So multiply 100 into 3, 300 into square root of 61. 300 into square root of 61 is the distance between the two aeroplanes. So therefore the distance between these will be 300 into 61 kilometer after how many times here? 1.5 an hour. So this is the final answer of the this question. I hope you understood, children. Now let's move to the next example number 12. See the 12th question. Two poles of a height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. See, two poles are there. I draw the diagram. AB is the one pole and CD is the another pole. The height of first pole is 6 meter and the 11 meter is the height of the second pole, that is the CD. So see, children, if the distance between the feet of the pole, means feet means base. Now feet of the pole, how much is the distance between the two poles here? That is the BD. 12 meter is the distance between the two poles. And find the distance their tops. You have to find the distance of their tops, means that is the AC. You have to find the distance between the two poles of the top, means that is the AC. You have to find the distance. Correct, children? Now see, let's see that solution. Let CD and AB, let CD and AB be the poles of height 11 meter and 6 meter. AB is the first pole of the height 6 meter and CD is the height of the second pole, that is the 11 meter. Correct. Therefore CP, see the carefully here. Now see that compare the two poles here. Now second pole is larger than to the first pole. How much is larger here? So you have to find, that is the CP you have to find, correct. Then CP is equal to total 11 meter minus from here to here, how much is there? 5 meter. Correct, children? Now see here, just you have to join the AP, will get the in the shape of the rectangle, and perpendicular you have to draw. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So here ACP, it forms the how much angle? AP is the form the right angle triangle. Now see here, you find out that 11 meter minus 6 meter. 11 meter minus 6 meter, that is AB is equal to PD. Now here how much we get here? 5 meter. Correct. So can you say that AP is equal to BD? See here from the figure it can be observed that AP is equal to, see how much here, that is AP is equal to BD. So this is also how much here? 12 meter. So it forms the right angle triangle. Then you can easily find the hypotenuse, that is the AC. So from the figure it can be observed. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, see the according to the Pythagoras theorem, so make the formula AC square is equal to AP square plus PC square. So substitute the value here. AP square, see here AP is the base and PC is the height of the right angle triangle. We are going to find the hypotenuse, that is the AC square. So AP square plus PC square is equal to AC square. AP square is already they given 12 meter square plus PC we got it. How much is there? That is the 5 meter square is equal to AC square. So 12. So change the equation LHS to the RHS, but equation remains the same. So 12 meter square AC square is equal to 12 meter square means square root of the 12, 44 meter square plus 5 square means 25 meter square. Therefore AC square is equal to 144 plus 25, 169 meter square. So only AC is equal to what is that? 2, it goes the square root of the 169 meter square. So AC is equal to 169 is the square number of 13 meter. So what is the distance between the two poles here? That is the AC. Therefore the distance between their tops is how much there? 13 meter. So I hope you understood, children. So these two examples you have to practice. See such examples you have to practice minimum 4 times. Then will be a perfect. And 2 examples I will give you homework in. I will send in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.